Hello and welcome to my video on how to fit turn-button fasteners. There are a few different types of tools you can use to cut the hole for the turn-button eyelet. Most of them would be aimed at the professional. There's this tool which you can use in situ. There's also this hammer type hole punch. And those two tools were the only two on the market. And then I designed this little tool. And it will do the job if you have around 10 to 100 fasteners to fit. The main problem with fitting the turn-button eyelet, it actually comes down to the cutting pad. If you were just to hammer this into a piece of wood, it possibly could work, but if the wood is too hard, it will just dent the canvas, and if the wood is too soft, it will force the canvas into the wood. So I actually advise using a good old magazine and fold over the front leaf, as it's usually slightly harder, until you're into a few paper pages. So the first thing to do, I'm just using a block of wood here instead of a boat or a classic car. I'm using a block of wood just for an illustration. I've already fitted a 6mm turn-button 2-hole base with 2 screws, and this is the objective: to fit an eyelet and washer. So the first thing to do would be to mark the position on your canvas where you want to place the eyelet and washer. Once you've marked your canvas, take your magazine and just place the canvas on top. Use a good claw hammer. Rubber mallets or hammers with rubber ends don't necessarily work as well. Line the tool up on the fabric and give it a good few firm strikes. You should then be left with the oval hole and the 4-prong slices around it. Take your eyelet, place it through the canvas, and then take your backing plate and insert the 4 prongs through the backing plate. And again, you could just use the tool. Just bend the 4 prongs down around the backing plate. And there you have it. Turn-button ready, fitted. These can all be bought on my website. You'll see in the link at the end of the video. And thanks very much for watching.